What's your best fart sound?
I can't do that.
Why not? That was really good. Honestly, better than most.
Yeah.
What's your best fart noise?
Oh god.
Go for it.
I don't know. Like,
Ooh, that's spicy. I like it. It's very short, sweet. What is your best fart sound? Mine's.
that was better.
What's your best fart sound? Can you do it again? Please. What's your best fart sound?
I don't fart.
Girls don't fart.
No.
Do a fart sound. Anyway, you know what a fart sounds.
Well, I can do one with my hand. Yeah. Can you do one?
Yeah.
Wow.
What is your best fart sound? Got the hand involved.
Yeah.
How did you do that? What's your best fart sound?
I can't
That's
do it.
full of air. Hello. What's your best fart sound? Oh, nice. That's good. What's your best fart sound?
Sorry, I'm on a call.
Mine's like. What's your best fart sound? That was nice. Mine's like this. What is your best fart sound?
Oh. I don't know. I don't fart. Girls don't fart.
Oh, girls don't fart. They toot. What is your best fart sound? Oh, that's good. Do you want to hear mine? What is your best fart sound? Good one.
Thanks.
It's like nice and quick. What's your best fart sound? Blimey, that was awful. What's your best fart sound? Ooh, okay. What is your best fart sound? Okay. What's your best fart sound? Do your best fart sound. Oh, that is so good.
Can I not?
Great mind though.
Go on.